Hare Krishna. Welcome to all. Today we talk about the Sudumna, very ancient character. It is in the Manvantar of Vaivasvat or Shraddhadev. Same. There are different Manvantar. There are 14 Manvantars. It used to happen one inhabitant or living entity of one Manvantar or millennium takes birth in other Manvantar or millennium. The difference between two Manvantar is such: after one Manvantar there is some dissolution because night of Lord Brahma break out. There is no living entity. All rests in the body of Vishnu, while the next day breaks, the creation, living entity creation started. In this phase, after some generation, Sudumna appeared. But before reaching to his story, very colorful character we can follow. If we tell about King Sudumna, that will make another episode. We just reach up to King Sudumna. From the lotus sprouted from the navel of Lord Vishnu, Brahma was generated. From the mind of Lord Brahma, Marichi took birth. From Marichi, Kashyap took birth. Kashyap plus Aditi, Vibhasan took birth. He is known figure. Actually, Vibhasan is the sun god, and by the womb of his wife Sanjana, Shraddhadev Manu came. And he had no sons firstly. Later on he will get 10 sons. No matter, he conducted a very big sacrifice or yajna, from which he got a daughter accidentally. Actually, he pledged for a son, but mistakenly, due to his wife, a daughter took birth, Ila. Again, by the request of the king, Rishi transformed that daughter into a boy, and that boy is Sudumna. Very complicated appearance of them. It is the Vedic history. Hare Krishna.